In this video, I'll show you how to send bulk personalized emails directly from Google Sheets using Gmail without any external tools or paid services. We'll use Google Apps Script, a Google Docs template for the email, and even add a confirmation pop-up so you never send emails by mistake. Let's get started. We need to prepare a spreadsheet with the following details: name, email, order ID, amount, status. This spreadsheet will be the source for our bulk emails. The status column will help us track which emails are sent, so we don't send them twice. Open Google Docs. Type your email text using placeholders like. This template will be sent to each customer. We'll replace the placeholders with actual data from the sheet. Format it as you want: bold, colors, links. Copy the Google Doc ID from the URL. Go back to your Google Sheet. Click Extensions, then Apps Script. This is where we'll write our script to connect everything. Click the Save icon. Click Run, then select on Open. Grant permissions when prompted. Google needs your permission to send emails on your behalf. Replace Paste your DOC ID here with the Google Doc ID from Step 2. Click the Save icon. Click Run, then select on Open. Reload the Google Sheet. You'll see a menu called Email Tools. Click Send Emails. A pop-up will show how many emails are pending. Click Yes to send. And that's it. Emails are sent, placeholders are replaced, and the status column is updated to sent. I have used my email ID for testing purpose. Now let us open Gmail to check the results. As you can see, I have received 5 emails that were sent in a second using an email template and spreadsheet. If you found this helpful, hit the like button, subscribe for more Google Workspace tips, and let me know in the comments what other automations you'd like to see. Thanks for watching.